Atomic Habits by James Clear. Chapter 7, The Fourth Law, Make It Satisfying. Welcome back to Billionaire Mindset Audiobooks. We've learned that habits need to be obvious, attractive, and easy. But there's one final ingredient to make them last. They must also be satisfying. This is the fourth law of behavior change. Make it satisfying. Why rewards matter. The human brain is wired for immediate gratification. For most of history, survival depended on short-term actions: finding food, avoiding danger, seeking shelter. That's why habits that deliver immediate pleasure are hard to resist, while habits with delayed rewards are easy to ignore. Eating junk food is immediately satisfying, even if it hurts health long-term. Smoking gives instant relief, even if it destroys lungs later. Checking social media feels rewarding now, even if it wastes time. Meanwhile, good habits often have no immediate payoff. Going to the gym won't change your body today. Saving money won't make you rich this week. Studying won't guarantee a grade tonight. This time, inconsistency explains why bad habits stick and good habits struggle. The solution? Find ways to make good habits satisfying now. Habit tracking. One of the simplest ways to make habits satisfying is tracking progress. Every time you check off a habit, on paper, a calendar, or an app, you feel a small sense of accomplishment. That's dopamine at work. Habit tracking creates a visual cue and a reward at the same time. It motivates you not to break the chain. Examples: mark an X on your calendar for every day you work out. Use an app to track your reading, writing, or savings. Keep a streak going, and watch motivation grow. Jerry Seinfeld famously used this technique for writing jokes daily. He marked a big X for each day he wrote, and the growing chain motivated him to never break it. Immediate rewards versus long-term rewards. Good habits often pay off in the future, but you can attach small rewards to make them satisfying now. Examples: only watch your favorite show while doing household chores. Enjoy a smoothie only after a workout. Transfer $5 into a fun account every time you save money. This makes the habit enjoyable today while still building long-term benefits. Make bad habits unsatisfying. Just as you can make good habits satisfying, you can make bad habits unsatisfying. Create accountability. Tell a friend your goal and set consequences for failure. Use commitment contracts. Agree to lose money or donate to a cause you dislike if you break the habit. Publicly track your progress so failure feels embarrassing. When a bad habit is linked with pain or loss, your brain will avoid it. The cardinal rule of behavior change. James Clear calls this the cardinal rule of behavior change. What is immediately rewarded is repeated. What is immediately punished is avoided. If you want habits to last, you must ensure they are satisfying in the present. Practical applications of the fourth law. Use habit tracking. Mark progress visibly and consistently. Create immediate rewards. Pair habits with small pleasures. Don't break the chain. Protect your streaks to stay motivated. Make bad habits unsatisfying. Use accountability and consequences. Celebrate small wins. Every repetition is a victory that reinforces identity. A story of satisfaction. A man wanted to build a savings habit. He set up a system where every time he avoided a purchase, he transferred the same amount into a vacation fund. Instead of feeling deprived, he felt satisfied because saving was linked with a reward. Within a year, he had built both the habit of saving and the joy of traveling. Conclusion of Chapter 7. The fourth law, make it satisfying, ensures that habits don't just start, they stick. If you want a habit to last, link it to immediate satisfaction. If you want a bad habit to fade, make it painful or unsatisfying. Remember, habits are shaped not by distant outcomes, but by immediate emotions. With all four laws, make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying, you now have a complete framework to design any habit and reshape your life. In the next section, James Clear shares advanced strategies for going deeper. How to stay consistent, avoid pitfalls, and master the art of continuous improvement. Stay tuned for advanced tactics, how to go from good to great.